Hello all you pancake lovers out there. In this video I'm going to show you how to make pancakes in under 1 minute, so don't go anywhere and get ready for the show. Super easy, under 1 minute or 1 minute, whatever you want. Pancakes. So let's get into it. You're going to have pancake mix, a plate, and a fork. So that's pretty easy, right? Then just grab some syrup and you're all ready to go to start making your under 1 minute pancake.
Snug it up in there.
And close it. And close your eyes. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
As you can see, two amazing looking pancakes emerge in under 1 minute, and now you can eat them with some syrup, but don't forget to take off that lid, oh my bad, and have a nice fun time making a ton of pancakes now that you know this simple, awesome trick. Thanks as always for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome videos like this. And if you really like these kind of videos, then just comment down below if you would see more, or gaming, whatever you want. Anyway, peace.